When you're ready.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you. Kamehameha, please stay up on the approach. We also would like to recognize and acknowledge one of Kamehameha's coaches. This is her 50th year of coaching for Kamehameha, Mickey Sabarano. Okay, thank you, Kamehameha.